Hey everyone, this is Eric and we're in our kitchen today. We're going to show you today how simple it is to make almond milk. Stay with us and see how we do it. Fresh almond milk is really simple to make, and it is incredibly tasty, and it's incredibly good for you. It is definitely better than your store-bought brands. Now here, we do buy some from the store, but we've got a list of 15 different ingredients here on the side that is really unnecessary. Today, at the end of the video, we're also going to tell you how much it was to make our own almond milk. Minus the time, you'd be surprised at the dollar figure. Let's get started and show you how to make that almond milk. First things first, we're going to start off with a cup of raw almonds. Make sure they're raw and not roasted. We're going to place them into our container here. You can use whatever you like, a bowl, this type of container, whatever. And then cover them with filtered water, just enough to submerge all of the almonds. Now here we've already got some that have been soaked for 24 hours. 12 to 48 hours is really the window that you want to hit for soaking your almonds. What we're going to do is drain off this liquid, and as you can see, it's very, very cloudy. After you've drained your almonds, we're going to add them to our blender. We're going to cover them with 4 cups of filtered water. We're going to add just a pinch of sea salt, and this will really bring out the flavor of the milk. It'll enhance the milk. Salt is an enhancer of flavor, so you definitely want to add just a pinch or 2, as you saw me do. And for a little bit of sweetness, you can really use whatever you want, but we like to use 1 pitted date, and that is going to give it a nice sweetness throughout the entire bit of almond milk, and it's not going to be nasty, artificial, refined sugars. The next step is to blend thoroughly. The very last step is to strain the pulp from your milk, and to do that we use a nut bag. These are incredible. I think they work better than cheesecloth, although you can use cheesecloth and a strainer to strain it out, but these nut milk bags are a lot finer and they do a much better job in my opinion. You can pick these up for anywhere between $7 and $13 on Amazon. Usually if you hit $13, you're getting like a pack of 6, and it's really, really handy to have in the kitchen. I'll put a link to that in the description below, and also put it in our tool store over on countrylivingexperience.com if you want to go check it out over there. So let's strain out this milk, and we're just gonna put this over the top of any container that you like here. And your milk's gonna drain out immediately through here. You're gonna be left with a lot of this pulp, and just give it a gentle squeeze to get out all the rest of the milk and separate it from that pulp. Make sure you don't throw out this almond pulp. This is essentially almond flour, and it is incredible for baking. What we do is we simply put it in a low temp oven just to dry it out, and then we bag it up and put it actually in the freezer to keep it for, actually it'll stay for about 1 year. Look at this, 4 cups of beautiful, frothy, creamy almond milk. Let's give this a taste. Light, refreshing, and very, very tasty. And I guarantee you this is better for you than the store-bought almond milk. So if you're lactose intolerant, or you drink non-dairy milks, this is the milk for you, and it's very, very easy to make, as you saw. It just takes a few minutes. We like to keep ours in this quart canning container here, and it'll stay for 3 to 5 days in your refrigerator. Let's bring my daughter in here and let her do a taste test for you. I guarantee she's gonna love it. Come on in here, Ariel.
Okay.
Here's that fresh almond milk. Let everyone know what you think of it.
Yummy.
It's awesome? Is it good?
Yes, much more tastier than yum other milk.
Okay, thank you, Ariel.
Okay.
So I promised I would let you know how much it is to make your own almond milk. Here we've got a 3-pound bag of raw whole almonds that we purchased from Sam's Club, and it was $13. Now a 3-pound bag will yield 10 cups of raw almonds. You saw that 1 cup yields 4 cups of almond milk here. In that half-gallon container, which cost us, the half-gallon container of the store-bought almond milk cost us $2.60. That half-gallon container, there's 8 cups in a half-gallon. So 2 cups of almonds will replace that same half-gallon container. Now, if you buy the Silk brand or the Blue Diamond brand, that is going to be, those cost a little bit more than the store-bought almond milk. And in my opinion, the store-bought usually tastes better. Not as good as this, but it does taste better. So for this 3-pound bag of whole raw almonds, we're yielding about 2.5 gallons of almond milk. That's amazing, and that equates to about the same price. Almost the exact same price. I think it's actually a few pennies less. $13.75 for the almond milk purchased versus the $13 I paid for this. Now, yes, you can add in the cost of the dates. It's really negligible. The cost of the salt obviously is negligible, and so is the water. So it's about the same price. You can see that making your own almond milk is not expensive and is much, much better for you. For you guys out there who are lactose intolerant, I highly recommend doing this. It's very, very easy. Anyway, we appreciate you being here on our channel, and we want to remind you to subscribe. We're thankful you're all here. We're thankful that we're getting a lot of subscribers every day, and we want you to join that family. Go also visit us on countrylivingexperience.com. You see our blog there, our tool store, a page about us, tells about our family and what we're doing here out in the country. And oh, do not forget to hit that little notification bell, because that one indicates to YouTube that you want to see our videos all the time, and it will send you that notification. If you don't hit it, YouTube's not going to inform you that that we put out a new video. But just in case you don't hit it, we have new videos coming out every Tuesday morning. Have a great day, everyone. We're thankful you're here, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.